Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dirk, Freedom Lifestyles Academy, and today we're gonna talk about how to make money on Amazon. How to make money on Amazon without selling. It is actually possible, and I'm super excited to share this with you. By the way, if you're here for the first time on our YouTube channel, the Freedom Lifestyles Academy YouTube channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, making money on home, and basically create a more freedom in your life. So, you know, there's more happiness and fulfillment in your life. If that is the case, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon if you get notified the next time I upload a video. Let's dive into how to make money on Amazon without selling. Is it actually possible? So one thing I want to share with you here, and that is, besides everything else, Amazon is, we all buy from Amazon. Well, actually not we all, but a lot of people buy from Amazon. Because, it's out there. It's there. I live in Costa Rica. If I order something from Amazon, it ends up at customs here, and I have to drive 6-7 hours to pick it up and pay import tax as well. So for me it's definitely convenient, but many other people around the world do. So I wanted to share this with you, how you can make money from it, and I can make money from it even though I live in Costa Rica. So how do you do this? So when you're in Amazon, so you have to go and you have to do shopping. You have to get stuff. Maybe you see this before Christmas. Maybe right after. I don't know when I upload this. So, but it's perfect to do this before Christmas. So that will be very, very awesome way to do this. But what you do is you log into your Amazon account. The first thing that you do is you scroll all the way down, a little bit up here, where it says get to know us, make money with us, sell, become an affiliate. You just, open up, become an affiliate, and you just follow all the steps. I'm not going to do that. It is very, very, very easy to do that. Go through the process and you set up your affiliate account. Now, the other thing what you want to do is, once you have set it up, you log into your Amazon account, and now you suddenly see this above here, the white or the gray stripe. So what are you gonna buy? Let's say we're gonna buy new headphones, electronics. Let's say I buy a TV. I don't own a TV, but let's say for example purposes, and I really like televisions. I buy TV, right? So many clicks. So I wanna have this one. I buy this one. So what you do is get this. I want this one. I want this one. So the next thing you're going to do is go up here, click on text. And I think we have to wait a little bit. It's going to create a link for us. And then last time I did it, I had to wait a little bit. But you click text or image, text image. But you need to have the text. I don't know why it takes so long. Let me share it here. Maybe if I refresh the page. Let's wait for a little while. So there it is. Yes. Awesome. So text. What you do is you click this link, and then you go to a browser. Private browser, and then you paste it in here, because Amazon is the one and only company I think I know of that allows you to buy through your own links. So you're saving this anyway, but now I'm not sure how many commission, but up to 10 to 15% commissions. It depends on the product. You get commissions. So this is almost $1,400. Let me see. So if this is let's say it's 10%, you have $140 discount as well. You get $140 in commissions back. Isn't that freaking awesome? So that is one way to do this. Another way is, this is when you actually have to spend money, you save. So this is how you save. Super, super excited. It works. Super great. Make good use of it. This is a ninja trick that you don't want to miss out on. So what else? So let's say you are a dog person, maybe you're a cat person, maybe you love sailing, maybe you have a passion. What are you good about? So what are you passionate about? So let's go to Facebook, guys. Let's go to Facebook. and I go to Facebook and I go to the search. I could do, I'm not sailing, you could do it with many other things. But if you do this with, let's say dogs, or you could be more specific. I have a Malinois puppy I have. So let's say Malinois. What you can do is you search for groups, just groups. And it could be Malinois, but of course it could also be the dogs. You know, Malinois is a dog, so you can be a little bit creative here and join as many groups as possible. And as you can see, I did basically what you do is you just check it out, and you go here and you just hit join the group. And that's how you join the group. And then it says pending. Maybe, yeah, it's thinking. So now it says pending. So you do this, you prepare, and you go. So once you are accepted in the group, what you'll do is, so let's say you're a dog lover, right? You have a puppy. So I couldn't find. I have many pictures of me and my puppy, probably, but when you need it, you can find it. But I got one here. But it's on my phone, but I can go on my phone and do this on my phone, but now I want to share my screen here, so I do this on my laptop. So basically what you do, let's pretend you're in the group right now. So I'm here on my own page, and what you do, let's pretend you're in the group, and it's exactly the same. So what you do is you go to photo, and then you want to have a picture in ready, so let's do this. I know this is a doggy picture, so let's say this is your puppy, right? And you could say, okay, hold it, stop here. First we go to Amazon. We go back to Amazon here. And let's say we're gonna search for dog collars, right? Dog collars for puppies. That always works great. So let's say you find a night vision Wi-Fi camera. Puppies, all these colors with bells, or we can find something useful. Maybe it should be dog collars for puppies. The best choices. It does not really matter. So you do your research here on Amazon. And then let's say this one, yeah? So I take this one. And now I have this color, and then I go here again, go to text, and I don't know why it takes ages, but let's wait for this. So I'm just gonna click on it, and in the meantime, when it's thinking about it, I go to Facebook, and I say, hey guys, and maybe you should not do this right after you are being accepted. When you're accepted in the group, you don't go to the group, comment and like on a few pictures and say, oh, cute doggy and stuff like that. But you could say, hey guys, this is my puppy. She is 4 months old. I saw this amazing color. Can I use it? Or is she too young? So now you always have people in the group that that want to give you advice. So I saw this amazing color. Can I use it? Or is she too young? And then you just go back to Amazon, and hopefully it's there. I don't know why it's... there it is. So, you just copy and paste this one. And then, you do this. And then, if I can see it... Newsfeed, public. Let's see, only me, right? I just do it for now for me. So, I post, not on your newsfeed, but in the group. But I just want to pretend we're in a group. And then, this will be your post. Oh, it's my cute puppy, it's so cute. And then people click on this link. And they come on in Amazon, and now you think, yeah, but they're not going to buy the collar. No, probably not. But the thing with Amazon is that for 24 hours, your link has cookied. You're attached to your link. So everything they do on Amazon is now linked to you. So that is super, super cool. No, I'm not gonna buy the blueberry pet color. You know, it's cool, but they might be going back and say yes, and they like it, and they say yes, awesome, right? And or they give you advice what they can and cannot, what you can and cannot do. But now, and this is especially if you do this before Christmas or before other holidays, or you know, but people buy from Amazon anyway. So, oh right, I'm on Amazon anyway now. So let me buy. I have to buy whatever a TV, right? And now they go and search for their TV or any other stuff, and they buy. They decide to make a purchase from Amazon. Guess who gets the commission? You are. So that is super cool. If they do not even buy your dog collar, that doesn't matter. It's a super small commission anyway. So, but if they decide to buy any other stuff, and hey, do people only buy one thing? No. Often they do a whole selection of stuff they need to buy anyway, and they save on shipping costs. And so, you know, all customers get free shipping on orders over $25. So, you know, we all get most of the buy. You get more stuff. And you get commissions on all those products that they are being sold through your link. While you only send them through a link of a dog collar. Isn't that cool? A free bonus tip here for you. This is how you can make money on Amazon without selling anything. Super, super cool. Be creative. Think about this. You can use this. You can do this in many ways. Dogs, cats, birds, sailing, fishing, name it. You can do it, and that's awesome. But be aware that you always get small commissions. Personally, I'm more of a big fan of high ticket products. You know, products that pay you $500 and more. If that is something that you're interested in, make sure to click the first link in the description below this video. And that is the exact way how Muriel and I get, you know, commissions up to $2,500 per sale. If that is something that you're interested in, click the first link in the description below this video. Or else, I wish you an awesome day and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.